Thank you for that wonderful introduction. Level up your financial reporting process. Our company, GLNet Solutions, offers professional accounting services and backroom operations. We provide exceptional services and solutions to our clients in their pursuit of a good accounting and financial organization. As business owners, we would like to have access to accurate information about the finances of our company. In order to see the overall financial health of your business, we need a detailed insight into our company's financial information in order to make crucial decisions about your company. These decisions include purposes on investment in capital assets, expansion, business analysis, strategies, and cash management. For our financial reporting, our expectations are the accuracy and speed to getting data and reports needed, such as cash flows, budget, income statement, receivables, progress billing, and project costing. We would like to use this for value added analytics that can support our business strategies for growth. Common questions we ask: how much did our sales grow? How much profit did we make per project? How much is our debt to equity ratio? How much cash do we need to accept this project? What is our break even point? Most of the time, these are not answered because we experience these common challenges: delays in report generation, inaccurate data, too much time to reconcile accounts, too many details needed to record, and too long to process paperwork. What can we do to address these changes or these challenges? One needs to keep track of your business numbers. You may outsource and you may need to shake your organization. Some of the suggestions we could give is you need to automate your business process and choose a software system that suits your reporting needs. Aside from the system, set up a periodic reconciliation of accounts and implement internal controls. Shaking your organization is also crucial to set up internal controls. Let us start by segregation of duties. Keep in mind that no one person should handle all these duties. We have approval, second is preparation, next is recording, and lastly, custody. If the first two suggestions sounds daunting, then you may outsource some accounting duties. These are tax compliances, payroll processing, account reconciliation, and regular FS preparation. By outsourcing this to GLNet, you will gain the flexibility to focus on the core operations of your business. If done strategically, this could translate to time and cost savings for your business while maintaining lower risk of non-compliance of submissions. Mayfair Mansion has been GLNet's client for more than a decade. May we hear from their current board president, Ms. Edlin Nang, a testimonial about GLNet. Thank you so much, Edlin. GLNet partners with you to help you achieve your goals as we go through the learning curve and improve your process. We innovate, we solve, we add value to our services. GLNet is always ready to be your partner in financial reporting. My ask is please connect me to warehouse facilities, construction, companies, and store franchisees. Again, I am Leila Punsalan of GLNet Solutions. We provide taxation and accounting services. Thank you and have a good day.